Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this one right here, and basically what this is a case that's in use for your iPhone 13 Pro, but they also make this same exact case for the iPhone 13 and also for iPhone 13 Pro Max. And for those of you guys who have like the older versions, they also make the same exact case for like the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and a few other phones as well. But basically this case right here is from the brand called TORRAS, and this is called a MarsClimber series case. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it actually looks like inside. So the product is all nicely wrapped and everything, but let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So this is a little kickstand option that they provide for you guys. So if you guys want to use that to watch movies or watch videos, you can definitely do that. If you guys can see right here, they do have a little opening for the lens, and it's raised a little bit right here for the extra protection. But you can see on the side right here, they do have the buttons option right here for you guys. And then right here, they do have the slot for you guys to activate the slide-in mode or turn off slide-in mode right there. And then on the other side right here, they do have the button to open up the phone or close the phone right here. And then on the very bottom, they do have the opening for the plug outlet there. And in the front right here, this is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys view this case right here, it definitely feels like a high quality case. It definitely feels really flexible as well. So that way it's super durable and definitely give you guys that protection on here. Like especially when you guys look at the corners, they definitely have the extra protection layer right here, and on bottom too as well. So if you guys do end up dropping in the corner, it definitely has the extra protection right here. And like I mentioned earlier, for the front part right here, and also for the lens option right here, it's raised just a little bit to give you guys the extra protection layer. So if you guys accidentally drop it in the front or the back, you don't have to worry about it as much. But when you guys feel the side of the case right here, it definitely feels really nice. You definitely feel a very good grip on here. So when you guys want to hold your phone like this, or if you guys want to hold like this, it definitely gives you guys a really good grip regardless. And then in terms of the material that they use on here, I believe it's like anti-fingerprint and scratch resistant and smudge proof as well. So you don't have to worry about anything sticky on here like a fingerprint or scratches or dust or whatever. And then basically if you guys want to use the kickstand option right here, you just have to open like this and just put it onto like flat surface like that to wash stuff. So you definitely have that option there, or you can go like this to wash stuff as well. And also if you guys want to go like this, you definitely can. So it definitely has 3 different positions to use the kickstand option. But I'm actually putting my phone inside right here to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you can see that once we put it on, this is basically what it looks like. So right now I'm using the iPhone 12 Pro as a demo because it's basically the same size. But the way how to design the lens option right here is very different than the new one. So when the new one comes, I'll probably do like an update video to show you guys what that one looks like. But you see, this is basically what the product looks like when you guys put it on in the back. And then here's what it looks like in the front. So you see, once we put the phone on here, it definitely looks pretty nice. It definitely gives you guys that all-around protection in the front and also in the back as well. And when you guys put this onto your hand, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely has a very good grip on here. Alright, so right here in the case, let's put it on and show you guys what it actually looks like. So you basically want to clip it on. So once you guys clip it on, this is basically what the product looks like. The product is definitely anti-fingerprint and anti-scratch on the back. So for this case, if you guys want to do wireless charging, you definitely can. So we go like this. Alright, so you definitely see that it does work if you guys want to do wireless charging on here. And if you guys want to use the back option right here, you definitely can. So you basically want to open up this part right here like this and go like this if you guys want to. So that's the first position. Here is another position right here. So you definitely do that as well if you guys want to. And another position to go like this. So you definitely have those 3 different positions to use on this case if you guys want to, which is super convenient. And if you guys really want to, you definitely have the option to actually wash stuff like this as well, where you guys put your finger in the back right here to give you guys a good grip. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing on the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a brand new case for your iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, or even for any of the older previous versions. As long as you guys are looking for this specific case in particular that give you guys a kickstand option, that's either under like the MarsClimber series or the MoonClimber series, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.